Welcome to online session of GK. Students, today we'll continue with the chapter number 4, the wonders that is India. So just take in the last session it was completed till the page number 45. So today we will start with the historical event. Students, there are many facts are there, and this fact I hope you will read this at least fact about the Indian flag, how the Indian flag has been discovered and what form it is, and about the medieval India. After that, it comes on the info bank, election of the president of India. This information is very important because many might be not knowing how the president of India is elected. Prime minister is elected, we know that how is elected by the elected members of the majority party, whichever the party get the majority, and there from that the prime minister is elected. But the election of the president of India, the president is elected for a period of 5 years, but not directly. His election is held indirectly by the electoral college consisting of the first one, the elected member of both the House of Parliament, the elected member of the State Legislative Assembly, with a view to ensuring uniformity of representation of different states at the presidential election, and parties between the state as a whole and the union that follows formula is applied. Here the formula is applied over here. Each MP vote is equal to total number of votes of all elected MLA upon total number of elected MP. This is the formulas applied. On this basis the president of India is elected. Now just come on the questions part. That is page number 49. Just I'm reading the question. Find out and write the equivalent commission rank in India, Navy, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. In Army, the name is given to you. Army name is given to you, and what is it is mentioned in what it is called in Navy and as well as in Air Force. The first one, Field Marshal in Army. The Navy name of it is Admiral of the Fleet, and in Air Force, Marshal of the Air Force. Second, General. In Navy, it is called Admiral, and in Air Force, it called Air Chief Marshal. Okay. Third one, in Army, Lieutenant General. In Navy, it is called Vice Admiral, and in Air Force, it is called Air Marshal. Fourth one, Major General, Rear Admiral, Air Vice Marshal. Fifth one, Brigadier. In Navy, it is called Commodore, and in Air Force, it is called Air Commodore. Sixth one, Colonel. In Navy, it is called Captain, and in Air Force, it is called Group Captain. Seventh one, Lieutenant Colonel. In Navy, it is called Commodore, and in Air Force, it is called Wing Commander. Major, Lieutenant Commodore, Squadron Leader. Ninth one, Captain. In Navy, it is called Lieutenant, and in Air Force, it is called Flight Lieutenant. In Army, Lieutenant. In Navy, it is called Sub Lieutenant, and in Air Force, it is called Flighting Officer. 11th one, Second Lieutenant, Acting Sub Lieutenant, and Pilot Officer. B part, find out and write the name of the India's following superlatives. First one, highest mountain peak. The answer is Kanchenjunga. Second one, most populated city. We all know that most populated city, it is Mumbai. Third one, longest river. The answer is Ganga. Largest mosque, that is Jama Masjid, it is in Delhi. Longest road, GT Road. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple. The biggest church, the answer is the St. Cathedral, Goa. Highest dam, the answer is Bhakra Dam. Okay, question number 9. Longest dam, Hirakund Dam. The answer is Hirakund Dam. Longest tunnel, the 10th one, Jawaharlal Tunnel in Kashmir. Question number 11. Largest residence, the answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Question number 12. Largest museum, that is Indian Museum, and it is in Calcutta. 13th question. Largest cave temple, it is Ellore. Question number 14. Largest river bridge, the answer is Bhupen Hazarika River Bridge on river Brahmaputra, and it is in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, question number 15. Longest road bridge, Sona Bridge, that is in Bihar. 16th question. Longest sea bridge, Bandra Worli Sea Link, it is in Mumbai. Question number 17. Tallest statue, that is statue of Lord Buddha at the Sarnath Thai Temple, Varanasi. Question number 18. Largest state in area, it is Rajasthan. Question number 19. Most populous state, that is Uttar Pradesh. And the last question, question number 20. State having the largest literacy rate, the answer is Kerala, Lakshadweep, Mizoram. Okay, now the rapid fire 4. The first question is, which organization has the motto "Be prepared"? The answer is Boy Scouts. Question number 2. What is the official language of China? The answer is Mandarin. Question number 3. Which country has a flag which is a white cross on a red background? The answer is Switzerland. Question number 4. Who instituted the Nobel Prize for Economics? The answer is the Bank of Sweden in 1968. Question number 5. Which Asian civilization is said to have invented the log? The answer for the fifth one is Egyptian. Question number 6. Which Congress session first demanded full independence when? The answer is the Lahore Congress on 26 Jan 1930. Question number 7. What is the theme of Jayadev's Gita Govinda? The answer is the love of Krishna for Radha. Question number 8. What is a fungus infection between the toes called? The answer is athlete's foot. Question number 9. Name the astronomer who discovered the Earth and the planets travel around the Sun in elliptical orbit. The answer is Johannes Kepler. Question number 10. What is the center of a cricket ball made up of? The answer for the 10th one is cock. Question number 11. Who was the emperor of Rome when Christ was born? The answer is Augustus. Question number 12. What does karate means? The answer is an empty hand. Question number 13. What does a flag flying upside down indicates? A sign of distress. Question number 14. What did Samuel Claude invented? The answer is the revolver. 15th question. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. Which is the third most populous state? The answer is Maharashtra, and the next is Bihar. Question number 16. Who directed the film Dil To Pagal Hai, and which actor played the part of Rahul? I think so this answer everyone must be knowing. The director was Yash Chopra and the actor is Shah Rukh Khan. Question number 17. Whose first words ever spoken were "Max class is tough"? The answer is Barbie, the doll. Question number 18. What are the Tripikas? The answer is 3 book containing Buddha teaching. Question number 19. Name the Sikh Guru whom Aurangzeb executed, those losing the support and the loyalty of the Sikh. The answer is the 7th Guru, Tej Bahadur. Question number 20. Who was the last Guru of the Sikh who created the Khalsa, whose fourth son suffered martyrdom, and who gave the name Singh to the Sikh? The answer is the 10th Guru, Gobind Singh. Okay, question number 21, that is the last question. Which Bollywood movie holds the record for winning the highest number of awards in history, adding up to 92 in various categories and award function? The answer is Kaho Na Pyar Hai. So students, here we had completed this chapter. I hope you will complete your notes and you will send the homework. Thank you student. Have a nice day.